How long does it take to fix your credit? So everybody's a little bit different, but we say, you should start to see some changes within like 35 days. So each one of our rounds is 35 days. So each round, we want to see some improvement. And we usually need 3 to 6 months to get your report how we want it to look, especially if you got eviction and a bankruptcy and child support. It's like, bro, if it takes us 2 years to get this off, that's a blessing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. People didn't have bad credit for 50 years, but they want their credit fixed in 50 days. Man, stop it. Sit your ass down and get this work. Stop playing. Is Credit One Bank good? Nah, not really. Credit One is like a subprime lender, but hey, these subprime cards, they have a place in the industry, because when I had my 483, when I was building my credit up, I couldn't get an Amex. I couldn't even get a Capital One. So I had to get a Milestone, Indigo, First Access, Credit One. I still have all those cards too. That's all I could get. Right? Then you got to build your way up. Right. So if you down bad, you in the 500s, low 500s, and that's all you can get approved for, hey, it is what it is. Go ahead. And he deleted my debt collection, but still no change. Also told me I had high usage. That's why I never. Yeah, that is true. If your utilization is hella high, it don't matter how many deletions you get. Your score is only going to go up certain amount. So sometimes when you get collections removed, sometimes your score doesn't improve. Sometimes it goes down. Sometimes it goes up. But the whole point of getting collections removed, you can be eligible to get approved for stuff, right? If you got 10 collections on your report, you ain't getting approved for nothing. Once you get those collections removed with the same score and everything, now you're probably going to get approved, okay? 19 with a 705 credit score with about 6 months of history. Any tip? Keep working your way up, right? You just getting started, bro. Just getting started. You want to have a couple primary accounts on your report, all right? So it's better to do it early so they can all age together, all right? So hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says 5 starter accounts. You can go run those up. How much is the fees, and is it one time, or do you have a payment plan? I've had so many people take my money with no results. Yeah, bro. So we have our main two are our monthly plans. This depends on which one you qualify for, and we also have a one payment high ticket item you can choose to do. But the consultation is free, so we go over your consultation. We let you know what plan you qualify for. We break down everything for you. But after the consultation, you're gonna feel good about it. Like, you're not gonna feel like, for the prices and everything too, you're gonna be like, okay, let's get this. Let's work. All right. And we also have a 3-round policy. So if we send 3 rounds of disputes and there's no changes, nothing happens, we'll refund your money back. All right. And work for free for 3 months. Okay. Let's go.